really don't like the intro to this video, so here it is. I'm making ramen because I'm out of video ideas. And here's the ingredients. I'm going to do a voiceover so you can see all of them. Yeah. So if you ever decide to make this, I usually use this type of ramen, and I don't eat this every day because that will be terrible for your stomach. Like, terrible for your stomach. So I wouldn't recommend eating this every day, let alone every week, maybe every other week. But you can do whatever you want to do, but I wouldn't recommend it, you know?
So the ingredients are, you obviously need some ramen. I usually use the regular one, but I felt special, so we're going to use this one. Some hot sauce. I didn't use it this time, but complete seasoning. I don't know why, it just is delicious. Eggs, I use 2, but you can use as many as you want. And a pot that looks like...
So you want to put a pot of water on the stove and put it on high heat for 15 minutes and place your 2 eggs in there and watch it like boil. Here's a nice little edit of it boiling. I know, so nice, right? Okay, it's been 15 minutes and my eggs are done. So right now we're gonna obviously take them off and uncrack them, peel them, you know what I mean. And yeah. Something you could do while you peel your eggs is you could open this. Dang, this is kind of difficult. Usually there's like fake vegetables in the one I use, so I throw those out because those are disgusting. I don't think they're real. So you're gonna take some water and you're gonna pour it in there like so. Maybe I'm weird, but I don't like ramen to be watery, so I don't really pour that much water in there. Like so, as you can see, I guess it's kind of good. Oh, no, it's not. But I'm not going to wait any longer. Like, there's still some crunchy pieces. I don't know what to do about that. Let me put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. If you are one of my family members who watches this and you never finish the time, you're annoying. Please stop doing that. We're opening the seasoning packet. Ooh, that is a lot. That is a lot. Oh, and it smells spicy. For clarification purposes, I don't use the hot sauce because the powder it came with was already spicy, so I decided to leave it like that. There's some chili sauce. Let's actually taste it. This low-key tastes good. Let's put a lot in there. Also, I don't usually use chili sauce, but it came with it, so I used it. My family members always forced me to, and I didn't want to.